Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the quartet assembly and locating the 4 rings and the central cross. Once done, note which rings move freely and which are constrained, because that tells you allowed paths. Make sure to observe gaps and pivot clearances. Tiny differences change moves. Gently test each ring's rotation and sliding. Do not force. These first actions set the entire sequence, so be patient, map motion constraints, and visualize a loop that will let one ring clear the core. You now execute a controlled extraction sequence by rotating a ring to align its slot with the core opening. This creates the first escape path. Next, thread adjacent rings one at a time, moving left to right while maintaining alignment. Hold earlier rings steady so they act as guides. Apply slight compression and subtle lifts to change relative heights. These micro moves free constrained links. Keep transitions smooth, hesitate, then correct. Visualize each ring's required translation and commit to the minimal motion that advances. You finish by withdrawing the final ring using the same alignment path you created. Reverse the earlier rotations and slide it clear. Once separated, reassemble by mirroring the extraction order. Start with the last removed ring and reverse each micro move. If something resists, stop and backtrack 2 moves because forcing will jam pivots. Try the sequence again with smaller rotations and slight compressions. With practice, the pattern becomes muscle memory. Keep visualizing clearance points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.